Okay? But these are just more examples now of APY, as we call it, annual percentage yield. Okay? So I just put the formula up here, and here we're doing some other examples. So for instance, let's calculate this for an account, and it's paying 12% compounded daily. Okay? Compounded daily. Well, again, it's just that formula, right? Which is up here. We have 1, wait, let me get the laser. 1 plus r over n to the n minus 1. See? And you know, if we calculate it, you can see that we actually get this. Then we convert it to a percentage, and we get this. Okay. And here, all I did here was I just basically considered, okay, well, what would happen if it was actually $1,000? In other words, let's say our principal was $1,000. Well, then after a year, by direct calculation, you would have this amount. Well, let's calculate the percent increase. That's what I'm doing here. The percent increase. It's very close to what I have here. I mean, the only difference comes about because of rounding. So it is very close to this formula. Even though the principal doesn't come into play in the formula, I just wanted to confirm it just to see what would happen, you know, for fun. Okay, so that's an example. Okay, let's do some others. Here we go. So this is another example that I want everyone to try out. So basically now you're going to calculate the APY for each of these accounts, which was basically from before. Again, it's only for a year. And I put the APR here from before. I want everyone to calculate these right now. Take about like 3 or 4 minutes. Okay, let me just pause the recording. Okay, you know, I want everyone to